Are you missing out on opportunities? The very opportunities that are constantly presenting themselves to you, around you, in your environment, the opportunities that are like a whisper in the wind made just for you. And I'm going to share with you a quick little Netflix movie called Claws, and how I watched that and I learned more about some of these opportunities that might be exactly what you need. If you don't know me, I am the great Cornholio. Got no bunghole. If you know that, you are my people. If you don't know it, you still my people. This is your boy Wick. Wicked. Shut up. All right. Interesting thing, I love cartoons. And one of my favorite cartoons that I like, especially during this Christmas time, is Claws on Netflix. If you haven't watched it, watch it. Great cartoon, good storyline, etc. But one of the interesting parts, and this is spoilers, right? So if you haven't watched it, yeah, it's not too much of a spoiler. You're not going to miss anything. But part of it is one of the characters in there, I guess, who's Santa Claus, Mr. Claus, and his wife had passed away or whatever. And not whatever, bad, sorry, didn't mean to say it that way. But his wife passed away. And it looks like there's so many parts of the movie where there are hints of the things he should do. And the hints present themselves like a wind. For example, this wind blows and a letter pops up right in front of Claus, and he opens the letter and goes, okay, I should do this. Or this other guy comes up and this wind creates this environment to look at him, and how he saw it. He goes, when his wife left, he always felt like she was still with him, guiding him down the right path, were these hints that led him here to do this, to do that, which changed his life. And, probably made it better and happier for his wife as well, who's looking over him. And it really got me thinking. So many times we consider, I know, but now when I say we, I had that philosophy, life isn't fair. And then over the last couple of years, I really changed my mindset. And to me, I truly believe I believe the universe is very fair. The universe is it's made to do the things and give you the rewards that you deserve. What do I mean by that? I mean this: if I don't go to the gym and I ate like I ate last night was my cheat day and I ate horribly, and less cheat days the better, let's just say that. And if I eat like I ate last night, slices of pizza, ate a tostada, a lava cake, ice cream, 4 cookies, I don't know why 4, but it seemed like a good number, etc. If I eat like that on a regular basis and I do not struggle waking up, going to the gym, I sit and watch TV, I gain weight, and I complain life is not fair. Does that make sense? Right? And as opposed to, if I do the exact opposite, like I'm on a keto diet, I work out every day, I'll move around more than I normally would. But that's the main thing. I diet and I work out, right, on a regular basis. And because I do that, I'm losing weight. So if I do the work, the universe is very fair. It's going to reward me with better health, longer longevity, hopefully, and a better physique. Does that make sense? Yes. So a lot of the time we go, well, why does this happen? That happens. If you change your mindset, the universe it's not happening to you, it's happening for you. And over the years, I truly believe in this, just like the cartoon Claws, that these little hints appear out of nowhere, and they present to you these opportunities. They present to you this or that or this idea. And it's not always loud. It's not always like, it's one of those things that if you're not listening close enough, you might even miss it. If Claus wasn't looking or paying attention or seeing around, and this wind bringing these opportunities to him to show him the right path, he might have missed it. And I truly believe that's just how life is. And our responsibility, the universe provides so much in every aspect. And it's our responsibility, my responsibility, to say this opportunity presented itself to me for a reason, because I have this skill set to take advantage of this opportunity. All right. There's some things that I'm not good at. Well, there's a lot of things. 99% of the things in the world I suck at, and I am okay saying it because it is true. No, I don't have to get butthurt. Well, Vic, you're not very good at guitar. Yeah, I kind of suck. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, right? Or what have you. So a lot of the times we look at these things and we're like, hey, these opportunities are presenting themselves to you for a reason. And so many times I feel I've lost on opportunities, or there's a lesson that I could have learned earlier, because until I get it right, until I do it right, the opportunity will still sort of, in my opinion, it keeps coming. It keeps coming. Similar to the problem. If there's a problem that keeps coming, that keeps coming, at some point, I don't think of it like, okay, well, it's a problem, I keep getting problems. Like, no, it's saying, hey, dude, this thing you're going to deal with all your life. Create the skill sets, learn what you need to do to handle that problem, so you can so it's no longer a problem and you are stronger because of it. Does that make sense? Right? So instead of me thinking, well, that's a problem, well, yeah, that problem's going to keep coming up. That problem's going to keep coming up until you do it. Don't wish it was easier. Wish you were better. And in fact, don't even wish you were better. Just do the work required for you to get better. Some people can say, oh, well, I'm doing my best. Well, your best at that point in time just wasn't good enough. You can better your best. Yeah, right? When we were babies, and the best we can do is roll around like, it was a big deal if you just rolled over, right? Kid rolls over when the kid's like 4 months old. Like, oh my God, he rolled over. Oh my God, he put his neck up, right? Blah, blah, blah. That was the best the kid could do, right? No one's going to applaud me if I lay on the ground and roll over. I'm like, look at him roll over. God dang, Wick, how do you do that? How? Oh my God, that's amazing. You lifted your neck up, my God. Right? That was the best I do. And then I got better. And then I was able to sit up. And then I was able to crawl. And then I was able to do the drunk walk, like the kids walking, like, right? Do the drunk walk. So it was always better. So regardless of what your best is, sometimes the best isn't good enough. Right? That's just what it is. So you must better your best. But it's more importantly looking and paying attention to these hints, that these ideas, these concepts that are coming to you. If you believe in a positive mindset that the universe works for you, not against you, it's going to give you things, it's going to give you opportunities, it's going to present scenarios to you for you to take advantage of. And when you don't take advantage of it, is when you're not living true to, like, for example, me, I don't feel like I'd be living true to who I am if I'm not taking advantage of these things and these opportunities that are coming my way, right? So, that's my thought of the day in terms of pay attention to these small ideas that come, and, look at those ideas. Again, there's a lot of ideas. There's only one of you. I truly believe that one of the most foolish things you can do is start doing all these different things, right? It's hard. It only takes one idea to do it. You do this one and it's going to work. For example, in skincare, someone that just does skincare treatment, that just does acne and nothing else, can become a millionaire. You don't have to do acne and rosacea and fine lines and wrinkles and pigmentation and anti-aging and and tooth gems and this and that and waxing. You don't have to do 50 things. You can just do one and do very well with it. Right? But you start with one. You put it in effect, and you ask yourself some validating questions, hey, if I do this, could I be successful? And if the answer is yes, and other people have become successful doing that thing, then you can do it too. What one person can do, you can do, right? So pay attention, watch Claws. I liked it. I enjoyed it. I'll watch it like 10 times because I like these feel-good movies and stuff and little tear jerkers and all that. But more importantly, like pay attention to these little hints that are coming to you. You know, drop it down in the comments. What are some of the hints or ideas that have come to you? That just out of the blue, you just thought of it, or you're in the shower and you came up with this idea, or this happened, or that happened. You know, drop it in the comments, an idea or thing that you that keeps coming around. And you know, did you act on it? Did you not act on it? What steps did you take? What were your hesitations, etc., etc. Cool beans. Can't wait to read them. Do them. Boom. Be amazing, because being amazing pays oh so well. Peace.